Hello everyone, this is Providencia. Welcome to my channel. Oh. Anyway, I am going to show you how to make my mama's Puerto Rican potato salad. Yes, when my mother makes this is a hit. Everyone loves her potato salad. It's very simple but very delicious. Now, I don't know if you saw the previous video. My mother came to my house and she did some recipes for you guys. So be on the lookout for arroz con gandules, pulpo salad, which is octopus, and bacalao. Oh my god, the bacalao, just everything was so delicious. She did make a lot of potato salad for a crowd. We was also celebrating my son's birthday. So this is basically for a crowd. If I could go and try to give you guys measurement for just maybe a smaller pan in this video, I am. But yes, this is for like a party, or if you want to cater or whatever, you already know. This is for a big crowd. So with that being said, let's get started on this video. So the first thing you're gonna need is a big bag of russet potatoes. It has to be russet potatoes because my mother said that's the best one to make this potato salad. Now this is a 10-pound bag. We used about 7 pounds. So definitely use around like 7 or 8 pounds. Next, you're going to want to wash your potatoes. Now, she is going to boil it like that with the skin and all, but she's going to show you how she's going to peel it off. Don't worry. And you have to add salt. And there is the potatoes. Now, some potatoes are small, some potatoes are big, so you're going to want to check up on them because the smaller ones is probably going to cook a little quicker, okay? Just keep that in mind. While the potatoes are boiling, it's time to cut the vegetables. Now, I'm here trying to help my mother, teach her the ropes of how to record and how I do it on my videos. But my mother is one of those, like, let's just do this, let's get it done. So I really struggled to try to record everything for you guys. I'm just remembering that day. But anyhow, you're going to want to cut a whole red bell pepper. It has to be the red one. She's going to cut them very small. You want to see it on your potatoes, but you don't want to also have it drastically big, Now, if you was doing this for your family, it's good to make like 3 or 4 pounds maybe of potatoes. And maybe use a little less than half of a red bell pepper. Considering that this is for a crowd, I'm trying to also give you measurements for a small pan for your family. So if you use like 3 or 4 pounds, maybe a half of a red bell pepper, or well, it's to your liking, to be honest with you, but a half a red bell pepper will do. Next, she's gonna cut a white onion. I would suggest a white onion, not the red one, for this recipe, and cut them very small. Again, if you're doing like a smaller pan for your family and not a crowd, maybe a half of an onion will do. And here I am showing it to you while my mother is there cleaning in the back.
6. They like eggs like this?
Yes.
Okay, they can use whatever they want, okay?
Yeah, I know. I tell them in my video too that it depends how many eggs.
And you can use more, you can use less, or you don't have to use any. These are the smaller ones, see? The smaller ones.
The smaller ones. I'm going to let them know
Okay.
that if it's smaller, you can take them out.
Yeah, you can take them out if
And the ones that it's
pricks.
not going.
If it pricks. If it don't prick, it's not it.
Alright.
Let me see this one. No, that's a little... Okay, let's just leave it there until... Wait a minute, this one looks like it. Yeah, that one is small and it's done. Okay? This one didn't get enough air time.
Yeah, because it was on the top, right?
Yeah. See?
Yeah, that's a little hard, right?
Yeah, let's leave it for a little bit more. Cover it up.
This is the only photograph.
Until it's done.
So, as you can see, now all of the potatoes is done and she is putting it in a bowl. Again, I know that this video is all over the place because usually I be precise with how my camera setting is, but hey, I'm recording my mother and she's showing you her recipe. What you're gonna want to do is scrape out the skin with a knife. Okay, so that's what you're gonna want to do to remove all of the skin. Next, you're going to want to go and wash all of your potatoes. Make sure that all the skin is off. Make sure all the imperfection is not on your potatoes. All that stuff. Now right here, my mother is cutting them, but she's cutting them into big pieces. You're going to want to do that because she's going to show you a trick of how to break it apart while you're mixing all of the ingredients. So make sure you do this part, you know, big pieces. And here you go. All the potatoes. I wish I could just have one potato right now. Okay, so make sure that you leave your potatoes aside. You want to make sure that they cool down as well. You're going to want to go to your stove. In a pan, you're going to want to go add some extra virgin olive oil. Add a decent amount, okay? Because this is a lot of onions and a lot of peppers. So, yes, use a decent amount. Make sure it's olive oil. And my mother is right now adding the peppers. And then she's going to add the onions. You're going to want to go and fry this for like at least a good, like maybe 5 minutes. You don't want it too soft, but you don't want it too hard either, you know. So yes, you're going to want to do that. Do not add pepper. Do not add salt. None of that. Just, you know, just fry it for a few minutes. So now it's time to put everything together. You're going to want to add salt. Don't add too much salt. You can add a little bit more once you taste it. And then cut your eggs. The way you want to cut it, that's your business. But she likes to do it in big chunks because she's going to show you a trick of how she puts it all together. Next, you're going to want to go and put all of the red peppers and the onions. Add it all in there. The onions and peppers are fantastic here. Nice and shiny. Next, she's going to add some mayonnaise. Now, she likes to add a little bit at a time, but towards the ending of this video, she ended up using that whole bottle. So I just want to point that out. You're going to want to use one whole bottle of mayonnaise. Next, she's going to use dried parsley. I would suggest dried parsley, not like fresh parsley. So yes, add as little or as much as you want.
Ready?
Yeah.
Just a dash.
Just a dash?
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Not a lot.
Then mix it all up.
We can break into more pieces. Because these are a little too big, so I go.
Yeah, but you want little chunks, but you want some of that.
Exactly, and the eggs break.
And the eggs
in
break.
There.
Okay. There goes my mother, giving me tips like she always does. That's right. Go, Mom, go. You know, when it comes to cooking, you gotta always listen to your mother. And if your grandmother is alive, listen to your grandmother. Those are the best cooks, okay? But yes, mix it all up.
You gotta taste it.
Yes. No, you taste it first. Good? Or you want to add a little bit more salt?
Yeah, you're gonna taste it. I think we need a little salt. Little salt, right?
That's a little bit more. I think it's perfect like that.
A little salt.
Not good, but
I think the less you have,
it's just
the more it hurts.
You think so?
good.
And that fire hurt a lot.
The potatoes are so soft. No, you
That's
got
right.
some. That's it. That's flavor.
It's thick in here.
I won't put it down. I don't play. Did my mother really think that I was not going to put that part? No, I did put that part. You want to know why? Because this is real life. That's how good that potato salad is. Me and my mother was like, It's really, really, really good. Trust me. Now, this is the potato salad. I did put it in a pan. When it comes to decorating, my mother ain't got no time for that. She want to eat, okay? So she told me to do all the plating for all of the food that she made. But yes, this is the potato salad. Oh my God. It is so good. Very, very few ingredients. Now, I added the little red peppers to try to make it look pretty. You don't have to do that part. That was just for me, you know, to take a thumbnail and all that good stuff. So, there's the potato salad. And this is a big, big pan. You could definitely make this for your next party. All that good stuff. Now, here is my mother's delicious pasteles. They are the best pasteles I have ever had. Trust me. But my mother will kill me if I put it on YouTube. So that's why I've never put a pastele recipe on YouTube. However, this recipe is going to be on my channel soon. This is bacalao salad and it is very, very delicious. So I can't wait to post that up. Also, the arroz con gandules. Listen, I've been dying to make my mother's arroz con gandules the way she makes it. I make it my way, but my mother's arroz con gandules is so good. So I can't wait to put this on my channel. Also, I was in the mood for pulpo. That's right, I love me some pulpo. And I've been bugging my mother about making it for me. And she made me a pulpo salad. Pulpo is octopus. I know a lot of people are not fond of that, but I like it. So that will be on my channel soon. And here is the final dish. Pulpo salad. I love pulpo. I know a lot of people don't like octopus, but listen, I like it, okay? My mama's famous potato salad. Oh my god, so yummy. Very few ingredients. Bacalao salad. And no, this ain't from a bag, honey. This is straight bacalao salad. Like, we went to a fish market, bought the codfish and everything. It's so good. My mother's arroz con gandules and bacon. Oh my god. Listen, all these recipes, you could eat it by itself. You don't even need like all of it in one plate. That's how good everything is. And my mother's juicy, delicious pasteles. Now, we didn't do any meat, you know, considering that we had a lot of ham on the rice. Well, in the rice. And we also had meat in the pasteles. So we ate the meal just like that. And I forgot to add avocado, but I did had avocado. So yeah, it was very, very delicious. The whole thing. My mother made everything. I was just there recording her. She did everything. She didn't need no help from me at all. Yeah, my mother is in her 60s, but she is a very strong woman. Trust and believe that. But anyhow, all the other recipes are coming after this one, so be on the lookout for it. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care, God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.